Charlie Bird, reporting from a war zone. If you can hear me over the bullets and gunfire, just over this crest, this rebel forces, an entire armoured division. There's a tank only 5 metres away from me. Am I scared? No. Charlie Bird doesn't have time to be scared because I'm too busy bringing the news to you, the little people of Ireland. This is Charlie Bird in grave danger in a war zone.
We cut it there, lads. That tape worked really well there, Tony. Gunfire, I'll use that one again. Good man, Peter. I love these building sites. Listen, lads, I'll show you number 53. I bought it off the plans. Come on. Ha 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 ha.